today we're going to show you how to get rid of orange hair. Now, hair is orange for one reason and one reason only. It's not been bleached enough. In this video, our hairdresser Ashley Betancourt is going to show you the right way to get rid of orange hair and to tone and color it afterwards. So to bleach today, we're going to be using Brilliant Blonde X, the new lightener from Ugly Duckling, the lightener with Bond Protect built in. We're going to be using it with 20 volume developer. It's Brilliant Blonde X is quite a strong bleach, and 20 vol will be enough if done correctly. We mix it in a ratio of 1 part bleach to 2 parts developer, and as you can see, you get this very nice creamy, smooth mix, oily mix, which is going to be gentle and at the same time it's going to lift. So we go ahead and we apply our bleach mixture on the lengths. We're going to leave the root part untouched because we're going to be putting in our shadow root there afterwards. As you can see, we're using foil. That will keep the heat in and allow the hair to lift faster. And we're putting in plenty of mixture. We're saturating really well. It's really important that you get a lot of product, moisture and product in on the hair so that it can lift and the bleach can do its job. Okay, so fast forward, we've bleached the hair right up to level 9, as you can see. We then blow dried the hair, and then we went ahead and we applied Ugly Duckling 5.13 with 10 volume developer for the shadow root area. And now we're ready to tone the lengths. For the lengths, we're using a mixture of Ugly Duckling's 10V Pearl Blonde Toner, 9.23, which has got a little bit of warmth, but is also a violet-based 9 level color, and clear to give it a bit of a pop. And we're mixing all that with 20 volume, and we're keeping it fairly pasty, 1:2 ratio, which you need because we've got a lot of hair there to work with. We've got to work fast to give all the hair as equal a processing time as possible. So we go ahead and apply. So here's what it looks like after all the toner has sat in the hair. You can see the pigments have been activated. They've been neutralizing the hair. You can see we've now reached a very nice light level and we're ready to rinse. So after rinsing, we're going to use our old friend purple mask to make the hair even whiter and get it ready for blow drying. Now purple mask also contains a lot of conditioning elements, so it's going to make the hair softer and smoother. It's also low pH, so it will help close a hair cuticle, which is what you need after bleaching and coloring. So here we are. Here's a final result. As you can see, it's beautifully white. It's nothing like that orange mess which it was when we started. So you can see it is possible to get rid of orange. It is possible to tone. So this is a look you can achieve in your salon using this technique. And obviously, if you achieve this kind of transformation on orange hair, your client is going to totally love you and keep coming back for more.